Savage's Pharmacy has been part of Burnham-on-Crouch in Essex since 1924. It has moved up and down the town over the years, but has been on its current location since 1984. It has a predominantly large variety of options in the store. We have a post office, a photo department, and a full dispensary. Having technologies like Omnicell and with us enables us to deliver a high level of patient care to the community that we've been serving for nearly 100 years. Since last June 2020, we had it installed right in the middle of the pandemic, and it's been a steady increase of usage all the way through since then to today. Various hurdles, obviously, adapting and things like that, but at the moment, yeah, it's working quite well for us. For us, the main issue was how to effectively, produce quality trays in large quantities, because traditionally it's a very manual process. It takes a lot of time, manpower, and a lot of attention to detail, which for us, when people need it or the patients need more and more of these types of devices to help them day in, day out, for us it was a case of how do we keep taking patients on knowing that it's going to require more and more people and more energy and effort from our point of view, and trying to make it all work and fit within a working day. And that's where the VBM for us was a natural fit in making adjustments for ourselves in order to provide high quality care.
The VBM has eliminated the amount of errors that are being made. With the way it takes the pictures and it measures the exact size of each tablet, at the check-in stage it knows exactly what tablet's in there and what's supposed to be in there, and if there's a problem with it, it knows.
For us, it was just the 7 or 8 stage auditability of it. The fact that there's multiple areas of logging in and tracking with users and times and dates, who did what when, all the medication that we use, it's all got the batch numbers and the expiries. So if there are product recalls and such, we can identify which patients have received that type of product if they needed to be withdrawn. The photographs on the trays themselves, that is undoubtedly the single most important thing for the patients themselves, their carers, other healthcare professionals, clinical settings, primary, secondary care, to be able to open the tray and go, this medicine is this one is this one, right, yep, that goes there, and they can identify it so easily. I think that in itself, there's nothing like that on the market, and for us, that was the most single important thing to opt for this machine.
Before, when we received the prescription for someone that was a new Dorset patient, it would take us roughly about half a day from start to finish to get all the paperwork done, all the writing out of the markings, the shape, the size, and now it's all done automatically. So that's completely reduced the amount of time it takes us.
Oh, the feedback's been phenomenal. I think we transferred our patients over knowingly, so we gave every single patient an update, a leaflet saying your MDS trays will change, and this is what they're going towards. And I think literally less than 1% had an issue with it, and the rest of them I couldn't fault it in the slightest. They are so happy and pleased, and more importantly, their families and other carers or partners, whoever else is in the home with them and sees these trays, they think that it's fantastic. And obviously, you know, that's led to new business growth. We've had other patients, other, you know, agencies come to visit us to see what are we offering that no one else is, and that's brilliant for us and them as well.